Hello everybody and welcome back. You know who it is. It's Creative Redundancy back again, also known as CR. I figure I'd come out. We're having a severe thunderstorm warning right now, and as you can tell, I gotta shout over it because it is hailing outside. It's about pea size right now. You can see the whiteness on the ground right here. So yeah, it is hailing, and I'm pretty sure it's pouring out right now. You can see an increase in size, or amount I should say, and it's hailing outside. Now, camera's not waterproof, so I'm not going deep into it, but I'll try to zoom in here. You can definitely hear the hail falling here every so often. It's about pea size, give or take, maybe a little bit smaller, but let me just go over here. You can see the hail size right there. Take cover here. Gotta wipe off the lens here. Hold on a sec. So, if you enjoy some hail, thunder showers, severe weather, hit me up on a thumbs up. So as the world changes, so must oneself. To reach a new level of skill and knowledge, one must practice. Single person can't help everyone in this world, but one person can help someone in this world. Until the next video from me, it's peace out from the guy that's always in creation mode. Peace out from CR. Later.